Hey, I'm Bianca Pitts with Creative Marketing Mom, and today I have an amazing little tutorial for you. So, we're going to talk all about how to copy and paste or add an existing design to a new design. So, there's many reasons why you might use this, and it's been called lots of things. It's been called copy and pasting a design, it's been called reusing a design, it's been called duplicating or inserting it into a new project, like an old project into a new project. There's many different ways to say what I'm going to show you, but lucky for you, the actual answer is way easier than the title. So it's so easy. It's going to be crazy easy for you. So here is one design that I want to move into another design. This particular design, the reason I want to move it is because I want 3 different designs in this project to be put in an entirely new design. Because as you can see, this is my best thing since sliced bread marketing planner. It has 150 pages. I don't want to duplicate this and then try to delete the ones I don't want. I'm not going to sit there and delete the 147 I don't want. So all I have to do now that I know what my project is, I'm going to open a new project right here. And then watch this. We're going to head over to this bar on the left-hand side. Let me move myself out of the way. And you're going to go right here to projects. Select projects. Come up here to the top and select designs. Now you're going to find all of your designs that you've ever made. And then you're going to search, or if you know where it's at, you can find it. But mine is really far back because this is one that I've made a long time ago. So I'm just going to search for it. Best thing, and I don't have to put anything else because I don't have many named that. I know exactly what my particular design is named. If you're not exactly sure, you don't remember, go back to the original project and look at the title up here. Then you're going to search that. So here it is. All I have to do is select it. Then I'm just going to scroll down and find the ones I want. So I know that I want my to-do list. So all I have to do is click it. Ah! Isn't that awesome? I fived myself. Yeah. So there you go. Now it's inside of your new project. Let's say I want a couple more things. Maybe I want to help them do a post planner. So all I have to do is click it. Ta-da! And I'm going to give you a bonus tip. Let's say you want to condense. I've had a lot of people ask me how to condense multiple projects into one. Easy. All you have to do is go back, find the other one you want. Let's scroll down. Let's say that I want to move one of my Clarity to Profit worksheets over. Ta-da! Easy as pie. Now I have 2 separate designs in one. That is so easy. So I hope this helped you guys. It is such a phenomenal tip, and it's going to be so useful to you. I'll see you guys in the next video.